we are now going to add and subtract rational expressions that have denominators that are opposite. And remember, when we say opposite, that means they're opposite in sign, but otherwise the same. So suppose we have x over x minus y, and we want to add to that y over y minus x. Now, at first glance, we can see that we don't have the same denominators. But as we look closer, we recognize that these are opposites. And so if they're opposites, we can take one and we can change. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave the first one alone, but then we're going to add y, and on the second one we're going to rewrite it as minus x plus y. Well, then we're going to take that minus x plus y one, we're going to factor out a minus, so we get minus x minus y, and then we take that minus sign and we just move it to the top instead. So we end up with this x over x minus y plus minus y over x minus y. Now that my denominators are the same, I can rewrite this to have a single copy of that denominator, and I get x plus a negative y. Well, in this particular case, notice that what we had on top and on bottom is the same, so when I divide these out, I end up with minus 1. So the key here is, and you can do this very quickly, you can jump straight from here to here, reverse the order, so the first one comes second, the second one comes first, and change the sign of the top or the sign in front. So this becomes x over x minus y over y minus x. This is a perfectly acceptable step. Oops, got to change that because now it's x minus y. And once I do that, once I've made this step, now it's just a normal same denominator problem.